The rock of Everest is known as the most highest rock in the world. Once upon a time, there was a mountain called Dala. The Mount Dala, he started thinking that he has the guts to defeat on Mount of Everest. But he doesn't know that he is the subset of Mount of Everest. Do you know why? Let me show you. Most of the features that the Mount of Dala has was originated from Mount of Everest. Let me state it. Number 1, we have channels, launched in 2015, which was 8 years ahead. Number 2, we have message editing, launched in May 2016, which was 7 years ahead. Number 3, we have Post. Post launched in December 2018, which was 3 years, 8 months ahead. We have number 4, which is stickers. Stickers launched in January 2015, which was 3 years, 8 months ahead. And then the Mount of Everest has the decentralized features. When we say the decentralized features, we mean that the Mount of Everest has a decentralized features of storing your token, trading your token, and making a P2P to trade any kind of token into your social currency of your country. Let me state it. Number 1, we have Mount of Everest has the wallet, which is wallet in Telegram, which you can be able to trade any token on Tom blockchain. In wallet, you can either trade or swap or a P2P option, which you can trade your token into a social currency of your country. And we have number 2, which is OKS Web3 wallet, which you can trade any kind of token or store it in your wallet, which is OKS Web3 wallet. That's why we call the Mount of Everest the decentralized feature, the feature of finance, the freedom of speech. Telegram is the greatest beyond WhatsApp, always.